All right, we're gonna go for a little walk right after the blizzard. We've already done the shoveling. As you can see outside, there are several feet of snow on the ground. We had to shovel it all out, but fortunately it's very light and fluffy snow, so it wasn't difficult. The camera I'm using is my new GoPro Hero 4. I had it in its fully waterproof case. It really does not record sound very well at all when you have that case, when it's in the case. That's why I'm adding this narration later on. Here we are going out there towards the road. The sidewalk at that point had not been shoveled yet, plowed, so I had to go out and walk in the street. Arrowhead Circle, heading for the mailbox. And there I am, saying a few words which you can't hear at all, as I head to the mailbox the day after the big blizzard. Little slow motion there. Alright, there's that mailbox. I don't think we had much mail that day, just one little flyer. Alright, now we're starting back out into the street. Heading back down. I think I speeded it up. This is actually going a little faster than normal. And you're going to see a car come along here any second. There he goes. Back we go. Back in the house. Neighbor's car out there. They never use their garage, it's full of furniture. But we have two cars in our garage. Alright, up the stairs that have been shoveled clean, pretty clean. This time I'm going to walk up on the deck and see that it's been completely shoveled clear of snow up here. There's a lot of snow up there. Let's look up and you can see there's some icicles hanging from the roof up there. Alright, that's going to conclude it. I'm going to go inside now and get warm.